Equipment required: 1 piece of M14 spearhead, 1 piece of electric screwdriver, main stand spring, 2 pieces of M10 by 25 bolts, and 2 pieces of lock nuts. Installation of the main stand. Aligning insulation holes between main stand and bottom of the frame, and connecting M10 by 25 bolts with nuts and lock it. Putting main stand up on one end of the short crook of rebounding spring on hanger of frame, and the other end on main stand hanger with special tools. Installation of front wheel. Putting front wheel in the middle of the front fork and brake disc in center of the 2 brake pieces, and putting long and short bushings and meter speed gear in order in both ends of the wheel. Then aligning axle holes of wheel and front suspension and make front axle going through one end of brake disc and locked by lock nuts. Putting magnet line into transmission axle of speed counter. Fastening screws installed. After the installation, try hard to rotate front wheel and checking if there is any unexpected noises from front disc brake, or is it flexible for front wheels rotating, reinstalling or adjusting if there is any problems, and fasten by lock nuts after solve all the problems out. Installation of handlebar. Putting standpipe of handlebar into direction stand of the front fork and aligning insulation holes, and then putting next segment into insulation groove and locked by nuts. After penetration of the M10 by 1.25 by 45 bolts from front to rear. Installation of the front mud fender. Putting mud fender into the lower part of the front fork and aligning insulation holes and fastened by M6 by 12 screws. Folding together the rear part of the hood and front cap and fastened by M6 by 12 screws. And then basket and front protecting bar connected and fastened by M8 by 10 screw. Installation of the rear view mirror. Front and rear view mirrors installed and fastened by M14 wrench. Taking notice of not installing in reverse. The torque test of the front wheel. Testing if the torque of front wheel lock nuts reaches standard by torque wrench. The fastening torque is different according to axle specifications. The torque is in 60 to 85 Nm for M12 by 1.25 axle. It's in 75 to 100 Nm for M14 by 1.5 axle, and in 90 to 127 Nm for M16 by 1.5 axle. Installation of the battery. Connecting positive terminal, red corner of the power line with positive pole, red corner of the battery, and elective terminal, black corner with selective pole, blue corner of the battery, and fastened by screwdriver until it will never rotate. Adjusting of the e-bike circuits. Open air switch below the seat and turn on power switch. Turn on front light, left and right turning lights, and tail light in order after connecting with the e-bike, and check if all lights are in work. Then rotate handlebar and accelerate slowly. At the same time, checking if motor is normal rotating, any noises, and brake cutting off electricity and flexible. Then steer aside the stand separately in condition of the standing and releasing. And check if cutting power switch of side stand is in work. In the end, turn off power switch of e-bike, then installation adjustments done, and finish installation for e-bike.